हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे 6 जून 2025 के ट्रेंडिंग करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में। तो आज का पहला क्वेश्चन, इन विच स्टेट आर कीचन एंड मीनार लोकेटेड विच हैज बीन इंक्लूडेड इन द लिस्ट ऑफ रामसर साइट्स? एंड द आंसर इज राजस्थान। Second question, who has become the 101st World Trade Organization member to ratify the Fisheries Subsidies Agreement? And the answer is Nicaragua. Third question, the 51st annual G7 summit will be held in which country? And the answer is Canada. Fourth question, which of the following Indian has been honored with the USI SPF Global Leadership Award 2025? And the answer is Kumar Mangalam Birla. Fifth question, in which city the Urban Adda 2025 conference was inaugurated by Union Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandavya? And the answer is New Delhi. Sixth question, recently which state government has approved the bill regarding women working in night shifts in factories? And the answer is Andhra Pradesh. Seventh question, which is the safest state in India for women as per the data released in 2025? And the answer is Sikkim. Eighth question, Rajiv Gandhi Forest Conservation Scheme has been launched in which of the following states? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. Ninth question, in which state has it been announced to provide basic military education from class 1st? And the answer is Maharashtra. 10th question, which country has recently been elected to the Economic Social Council of the United Nations? And the answer is India. 11th question, Raja Khas village has been declared as the first solar model village of which state? And the answer is Himachal Pradesh. 12th question, the 113th annual International Labour Conference of the International Labour Organization is being held at which of the following places? And the answer is Geneva. 13th question, who has been recently appointed as the chairman of the Economic Advisory Council of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? And the answer is S. Mahendra Dev. 14th question, which country has launched Operation Web Spider to attack Russia? And the answer is Ukraine. 15th question, Sheikha Nasir Al Novis belonged to which country who has been appointed as the first women Secretary General of the United Nations World Tourism Organization? And the answer is UAE. 16th question, who has written the book titled Test Cricket, A History which is in news? And the answer is Tim Wigmore. 17th question, what is the number of Ramsar sites in India by 5th June 2025? And the answer is 91. 18th question, who won the Spanish Grand Prix 2025? And the answer is Oscar PS3. 19th question, who launched the XChat to challenge the WhatsApp and Telegram? And the answer is Elon Musk. 20th question, how many medals has been won by Indian wrestlers at the 25th Ulaanbaatar Open Wrestling Ranking Series? And the answer is 21 medals. 21st question. What is the name of the initiative recently launched by the Union Government to provide disease-free planting material? And the answer is Clean Plant Program. 22nd question. Who has been appointed as the Director of Prime Minister Museum and Library? And the answer is Ashwini Lohani. 23rd question. UN Russian Language Day is observed every year on? And the answer is 6th of June. 24th question. When will the two-phase digital census 2027 begin in most part of India? And the answer is March 1st, 2027. 25th question. Which bank became India's first major public sector bank to remove the minimum balance requirement in all savings accounts? And the answer is Canara Bank. 26th question. India was elected to the United Nations Economic and Social Council for how many years? And the answer is 3 years. And the last 27th question. Which country became the world's top creditor nation in 2024? And the answer is Germany. तो ये थे 6 जून 2025 के टॉप 27 करंट अफेयर्स। तो अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ डिफेंस ई स्टेट्स इन जून 2025? तो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।